How to use Gauth AI. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can use Gauth AI. So for that, first of all, open your app store and go to the search section over here and search for Gauth AI. Now this is the Gauth AI study companion, so just click on that, and after that open this app. Make sure you have the correct application and click on download over here. I have already got it installed, so it's written open, so I'm just gonna click on open. Once you click on open, you will be redirected to this interface, and over here you can use this to your study. So just click on agree and continue. You can just click on any of it and click on continue, and then continue, and over here you can have it solve any of your problems. If you have any general problem, you can just press on this button and you can just take a picture and they will solve it through AI, or you can even make it to the math. If you have any math question, you can just take picture of that and they will solve it for you. Here there's also an option of history questions, also physics, chemistry, literature, geometry, language, economics, any of the question. You can just take the picture of it from this button and they will give you the solution. You can even import it from your gallery. If you have any question, if you have any picture of the question, you can just import it through the gallery and they will just give you the solution. If there is dark, you can even turn on the flashlight, and they also have a built-in calculator on the top left, so you can just click on it and you will be redirected to their calculator. This is a scientific calculator. You can even use the graphing one, so just click on this graphing, and over here you can just make any graph by specifying the x-axis and y-axis, and you can just create any graph. So this is how you can even buy their premium, like you can buy Gauth Plus, by which you can have unlimited access to snap and solving, elevated accuracy, fast solving process, 20 million plus tutorial videos. You can have access to all of these with the Gauth Plus. So yeah, this is a very helpful app, and I think if you are a university or college or school going student, you must have this app. So this was how you can use Gauth AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.